So guys, thanks for joining us on another video, and this is the last upgrade for Project Raven, and this one is in the cab. We're going to be getting rid of that, and we're going to be putting what's in there in. So hopefully we're going to be upgrading to Android Apple CarPlay thing. Just stick you there for the minute. Now it's not an OEM, but I'm hoping this is just going to fit in nicely. Various cables. Let's get rid of that. Now I have had a quick look at this, and it looks pretty well OEM. Upside down. What do you think of that? Looks pretty good to me. I mean, it looks virtually Volkswagen-ish. It comes with an adapter for the wiring loom. I don't know what that is. It comes with a cable that you can plug in for a reversing camera. I think that's for a DAB aerial. We don't have one of them, so it's not going to have DAB in it. But, right, let's get this out. Now you're going to need a trim tool. Let's put you there. Hopefully you can see. Right, let's get this thing out. So you need to get this thing off. Start at the bottom. Oh, that's not good. Looks like somebody has been in here before. No screws holding the radio in. And there's a couple of there's a clip missing up there. I mean, the radio still works. Still works. Don't know. Anyway, no screws in there, so that makes my life easier. So let's get this off. There's a clip there, and that just unplugs. And there's a clip there, and that just unplugs. And that's it. That is how easy that is to get out. So we're not going to need this. We're not going to need this. All we're going to need is this. So we plug this bit into there, lock it in. And then we plug that bit into there, plug it in. Ooh, we've got power. Let's just switch that off. Let's just get it in here first. I need to find some screws. Right, I found some screws. They're not Torx bits, but I think they'll do. Better than nothing. We love a good peel. We do. We love a good peel. Obviously it's Chinese. Right. And there's no instructions with it. That's not helpful. Setup, language, it's either Chinese or American. So we've had to go for American. Time and date. Can only use this function with the ignition switched on. Let's see if we can connect it to my phone. Colin's iPhone. Connect. Does this password match the one on your phone? Yes. Welcome to App Connect. Please connect the device via USB. So we need a USB cable, of which there's some here. There we go. All sorted. Everything seems to be working. Well, it's got to be better than it was before anyway. I don't know what radio stations are. Anyway, it works. Right. I just need to put the fascia back on. And we're sorted. Helps if I have it the right way around. Look at that. That's got to look better on it. That has got to be one of the easiest upgrades I've done in this van. Now what you won't see, because I didn't do a video on it, is I have also installed a brand new EGI valve because it kept coming up with engine management light. As you know from the video I did for the MOT, the engine management light came on. That's what the problem was. So it's had a new EGI valve, and it's also had new timing belt and water pump, all done at 210,000 miles. So it's ready to go for at least another 100,000 miles without a problem. I hope. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one, which will be a van tour.